Yeah, Jew, what would you say?
Read the daily news.
Really? Just like that? I'm not buying your paper. All right, Ira, you want to be a news girl?
Yeah.
Well, go ahead. Put some oomph into it.
Guess what? A lot of stuff happened today. Read the daily news.
I don't know. I think I need some more excitement. Henry, what you got?
Not saying I want to be, but like a way to get people's attention without them noticing is just to like be like really, really excited about something, and they're just gonna want to find out.
That is exactly right, and that's why we're using the example of a newsboy, because they have to call out in a loud and clear voice, like, extra, extra, read all about it, such exciting news, yoo-hoo! They have to be like that. And this is a word we use to describe that manner of speaking. They're like, no more taxes, we want people to buy them. All right, Henry, the boy was bashful after flagellating from the cavalcade. Okay, so since flagellating means whip, do you mean he got flagellated by the cavalcade?
Yep.
That became funny.
Yep.
Yep. Poor boy, flagellated by an entire cavalcade. Okay.